How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode is very simple, really easy, and really fast. I'm here on the back of the 2018 RAV4, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the bulbs on the license plate. You see those two stacked ones, and it's really easy to replace them. Just right here, when you open the trunk, we have this panel right here, the one on the middle, the large one. Just grab yourself a screwdriver, just go easy so you don't scratch anything with your flathead screwdriver from the middle. Just lift it a little bit, then you can pull out the cover. Once you remove the cover, twist to the left the bulbs. We have one right there. On the other side, same thing, twist it to the left, and you have the other one. So next thing, grab them with the towel or with the glove, and they're really hot, so I'm gonna turn the lights off and I'm gonna let it cool off. Okay, I removed the bulbs. Only thing I used was my glove with a lot of grip on the fingertips, and we have the T10s right here. There you have it. That's one. That's two. Now we just gotta put them back on. And there you have it. Once you plug that in, put them back where it belongs. Replace your cover. Okay. Now you have the LEDs right there. Ooh, they look amazing. Really simple and easy to do, and that's how you replace the license plate bulbs from regular to LEDs. So guys, I hope you like this quick little episode, and this installation is done. Like the front ones, everything is done in there. Trunk. You haven't checked the episode where I replace everything in the inside, all the LED lights. I'm gonna put that episode in the description down below, and like that is pretty much complete the LED conversion on this truck. So guys, I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.